it, Daddy Pig. The toy is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The wall is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The car is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The screen is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The clock is broken. Daddy Pig will fix it. The kite is stuck. Daddy Pig will fix it. Look at that mud. Daddy Pig will fix it. Hooray for Daddy! He is the Fix-It Pig. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you all next time.